For 2 long decades, two-stroke purists have been holding their breath, and today, Kawasaki finally exhaled. More than a year after a cryptic teaser video set the internet ablaze, Team Green has officially pulled the covers off the all-new KX327 and KX327X, marking the brand's first full-size two-stroke motocrossers in 20 years. Set to hit dealership floors in late 2026, these machines aren't just a nostalgic nod to the golden era of premix, they are a sophisticated, modern rebirth. With a completely new fuel-injected 327cc heart, Kawasaki is boldly aiming for the podium, proving that the intoxicating thrill and sheer joy of a big-bore two-stroke are very much alive and kicking. At the absolute core of these new dirt shredders is a liquid-cooled, fuel-injected 327cc single-cylinder engine that perfectly marries old-school character with cutting-edge technology. Kawasaki engineered this power plant to deliver a brilliantly flat torque curve, ensuring smooth, predictable, and highly controllable power from ultra-low to mid-RPM. Gone are the days of finicky jetting and exhausting kickstarts. This new era brings an effortless push-button electric start, selectable power modes via a handlebar switch, and a race-inspired hydraulic clutch for a consistently flawless feel. Riders can even fine-tune their experience using smartphone connectivity via the KX2 Rideology app, proving this nostalgic premix burner is as smart as it is aggressive. To harness that 327cc punch, Kawasaki didn't start from scratch, they borrowed from the absolute best. Both models utilize a slim, lightweight aluminum perimeter frame directly derived from the championship-proven flagship KX450F, striking an exquisite balance between agility and high-speed composure. Tipping the scales at a remarkably lean 233.7 pounds, the bike feels as flickable as a 250cc four-stroke but bites with true big-bore authority. Suspension duties are handled by premium KYB components, featuring a factory-style 48mm inverted AOS coil spring fork up front, and the trusted Unitrack system out back, all anchored by high-performance Nissan brakes that guarantee formidable stopping power when the trail gets sketchy. While the standard KX327 is a purpose-built motocross weapon boasting a close ratio 5-speed transmission and a 19-inch rear wheel, the KX327X is the designated cross-country conqueror. The X model transforms the platform for the woods with a wider 6-speed gearbox designed to crawl over technical rocks in first gear while still flying down open-fire roads. Kawasaki loaded the X with essential off-road armor, including an 18-inch rear wheel, a larger 2.2-gallon semi-transparent fuel tank, handguards, a heavy-duty skid plate, and a convenient side stand. Both models feature slim, athletic bodywork and highly adjustable ergonomics, including standard ODI lock-on grips for handlebar positions and 2 foot peg options, allowing riders to dial in the perfect attack stance. The anticipation has been agonizing, but the payoff looks to be worth every single second of the wait. Starting at an MSRP of $9,099 for the motocross-focused KX327 and $9,699 for the trail-ready KX327X, these bikes offer a premium, factory-level experience without completely shattering the bank. Scheduled for a late 2026 arrival, Kawasaki's latest masterpieces are poised to disrupt the off-road hierarchy, offering riders the visceral, adrenaline-pumping excitement of a high-performance two-stroke packaged in a relentlessly modern chassis. Whether you are banging bars on the MX track or navigating grueling woodland technical sections, the king of the green two-strokes has officially returned to claim its crown.